Hello, hello. In this video, we discuss how to survive all day on campus so you can get better grades. You know, sometimes we have roommates who like to talk, and if you go back to your apartment, the roommate will talk, and you'll get nothing done. So then, if you want to stay on campus all day, one of the first things you need is a good backpack so you can carry your water bottle and stay hydrated. Colleges have drinking fountains so you can fill up your water bottle. That's helpful. And also, they should have a pocket for your laptop, like this back here. I keep my wallet there, but your laptop can go there. So that way you can use your laptop on campus, and don't forget your charger. People do that all the time. And then one of the things I did was I actually rented a locker. It was worth the $10 fee, so I could keep my stuff in there between classes. And then I also brought this bag. You can buy this bag. I'll show you here at like H&M or stores where they sell bags. And I would keep it in the locker. And in this bag, I would store food and snacks and things I needed. And I also had this. I would bring my food to campus. And so I would bring actual like sandwiches, but also like canned food. And that way you can just open it without a can opener because it has this thing right here. Like, I hope you like chicken noodle. And then I also had on the side one of those forks with a knife on the side. You can kind of see the serrations right there so you can cut things. And then a spoon for your soup. And you can just keep that in your locker. Another thing that I would keep in here that was very important, I would wash my face on campus because I worked early morning jobs and I had to wash my face in the girls' restroom. Okay, I guess the women's restroom, it's college. And so if you have acne, you have to wash your face and use toner. So I would take those with me. Just bring essentials that you need. One of the things I also used was perfume so that I wouldn't smell bad all day on campus. And here's these things for the toner. And surprise, surprise, I finished college in my 30s, so I had to use lotion on top of the acne medication because it dries up your face. So yeah, those are some tips on how to bring your stuff on campus. And then I was there for a good maybe 10 hours or more on campus, and my grades were better because of it. I graduated, I passed all my classes, and I wouldn't have done that if I had gone home to roommates who talk a lot. And so those are some tips. Just, lunch bag, locker, bring your laptop. And also when you can't go on campus because you're sick and you have to stay home, there's a whiteboard you can use in your own dorm or room, wherever you live, and you can practice your math problems, whatever you're reviewing in class. And that way you stay up to date on all of your classes and don't get behind. Okay, well, if you have any comments, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you later. Bye.